Good evening, Delhi. I'm Lara Sinha and you're watching Let's Go Delhi. Our top story at the... Now, thousands of the city's youth came together at the Jantar Mantar today to protest the rampant corruption creeping into the city's administration. And Metro Nation's Shashank Kaushal spoke to some of them.
Okay, the march has now come and reached at the India Gate, and as you can see right behind me, there are crowds and crowds of young people. It was said that nearly 10,000 of them actually came around to meet at Jantar Mantar to actually talk about what they are against, and what they are against is terrorism and corruption, and all of them here have actually walked nearly 4 kilometers to reach India Gate to spread the message that India is going to be their Valentine this year and they're going to do something about India. What is it that you guys are actually willing to do? आज जब आप लोग सब उस get together में थे, क्या करना चाह रहे थे?
We want that the youth should be actively participating in the democratic process with India. They should be taking responsibility of this country because this is the future for this country.
Okay. So what are those few things that, in that entire concert-like situation which occurred at Jantar Mantar, this was a unique sort of protest against corruption, terrorism. What is that you've learned and what is it that you're going to do from your standpoint as an individual?
Yeah, I've learned so many things. I've learned so many new things like vote. Vote is such an important thing. You have to be part of the democratic process. It's so important. There are so many clauses we don't know. We don't know 49O. We don't know that without a voter card we can vote. So many things we have learned from all this, and we're going to apply and we're going to all vote and motivate people to vote around it. So important.
Okay, if I can ask all of you together, which institute do you think is the most corrupt in the country right now? Can you all shout out aloud? Which institute do you think?
Parliament! Politicians!
And what is your slogan for the day today? What is it that you're willing to say and give a message to everyone across India? What is your slogan for the day?
The slogan is, Indian youth is the future for this whole planet. It's the hope of this planet.
So of course, very emphatic views right here from the young people here. There was a lot of inqilab zindabad all across while they were actually walking around. And at the end of the day, they only want to go ahead and say that they are against corruption and they'll do everything to actually beat it out of the system. In New Delhi with camera person Anish, Shashank Kaushal for NDTV.
Well, some youth there trying to make a difference on that march in India Gate. Well, time for...